Hey guys, Wednesday, June 18, 2025. Let's see what live cattle is up to. So far, my 218 level has been holding. We broke through the midpoint. Not the midpoint, point of control. Sorry. I'm getting all my indicators confused here. Early in the morning, haven't had coffee yet, but bear with me. I'm going to get through. 213, point of control, 213.18 in that area. Broke right through it. This is a nice value area low. I mean, if we get down there, it bounces, takes some time, but eventually gets there. This is a good place to unload your shorts or this area also right here, and I'm going to show you why. So value area low is 204 and change. Keep an eye on that. Looking at our simple glance chart. So far, looking the weekly, we got a PPL sell signal. That kicked in on the week of 6-9. We haven't cracked the mobile yet. 208. We got the 20 SMA right here, 206. Once we crack 208, if we get down there, you got the 20 SMA 206. I'm sure people are going to defend that, or traders are going to defend that. But you got a MACD that's negative. Market sentiment is still positive above the cloud. Linear regression channel is pointing up. So I'm not expecting a crash, but I'm expecting maybe a bounce or a turn very soon. Looking at the daily, we had a PPS sell signal that kicked in 610. Cracked down, came up, failed, sellers came in, and if you've been watching me, you know my style. Linear regression channel, this is where the bottom feeders are going to show up. Somewhere in this area, especially in conjunction with the 50 SMA. Nice, enticing. It's like wiggling a little carrot to the bulls. And this is where they're probably going to be showing up. Look at this level on the Kumo cloud, 209. So anywhere around here, I could see probably a potential bounce. MACD is still negative, so I might probably unload a little bit here or maybe just close it, depending on the price section today. So we'll see once it opens. Let's look at our, you can say not geometry, retracements. I haven't really added much here. You can see that this is the area right here in conjunction with this. I bet bulls are going to show up and they're going to defend this. And on top of that, you got a gap. I believe that's change of contract. I have to check. If you do your retracement here, you're going to be ending, you're going to be kissing the 50%. So yes, this is an area you probably want to either tighten up stops if you're short, or maybe just unload and let this thing, maybe bounce again, and then, short it maybe from the 33.3% or 37.5%. Maybe want to get to a 218 because that's what I was originally expecting to get up there and test my level. But it hasn't gone there. But this is an area you want to keep an eye on. Let's look at our midpoint chart. PPS sell signal hasn't cracked the MOBO. You got your moving average come here. You got your quadrant at 205. So keep an eye on that. Everything looks good. Stokes unwinding. Waves negative. MOBO sell signal. On the daily with monthly pivots, you can see that we cracked the midpoint of 213. Right now, we're kind of finding support, or we'll find support around 209. And this is last month's low, which is 208. So keep an eye on this area right here. But so far, everything looks negative. Nothing positive there on the daily. On the 4-hour, we failed the weekly midpoint, which is 216. So it bounced here, fail, and pushing lower. You're at this quadrant, which is 210. And then the last one is 208. So this area right here, then on top of that, you got the 200 SMA, and the mobiles are negative. Stokes are unwinding. So somewhere between today, tomorrow, and Friday, I expect this area to be defended by the bulls. Lastly, looking at that 1 hour, if it's going to bounce in the US session, the bears are going to be watching for 212, maybe to pounce again, your midpoint and push. If it gets above 212, A high probability that maybe it'll kiss 214 and maybe 215. But then this is just for today only, where the battle will probably begin. If the bulls push it up, or if they just kind of go sideways and push it even lower. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on live cattle.